Join me in supporting MIME students by participating in the Rocket Forward Day of Giving.
The University of Toledo has offered a mechanical engineering degree, providing students with cutting-edge research opportunities in technology and science. The MIME department is investing heavily in student success and engagement through experiential learning and various student clubs.
UT Rocketry's overall goal is to compete in nationally held competitions such as NASA Student Launch. With support to the MIME department, our members can build, test, and launch these high-powered rockets.
Hi everyone, my name is Kurt Meyering. I'm the president of ASME here at the University of Toledo. Our role here is to encourage kids to get excited about engineering, to keep them in the major, get them involved, see what things have to offer. Thank you.
Let's come together to make a lasting impact and help these students thrive.